Welcome to Review Source. Today, we're covering the best cordless vacuum cleaners, chosen for their suction power, battery life, reliability, and real-world performance. We've looked at everything from budget-friendly options to high-end systems that basically clean themselves. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. First up is the Wyze Cordless Vacuum. It packs 20,000 PA of suction and a 300-watt brushless motor, yet it's as light as a feather at just 2.8 pounds. We're looking at 3 power modes here: Eco, Medium, and Turbo. The Eco mode gives you about 40 minutes of runtime, while the Turbo mode is there for the heavy-duty messes. It's got a crystal-clear screen to show battery life and 6 LED lights on the brush head to hunt down dust bunnies in the dark. It even features a 3-stage filtration system with a HEPA filter to keep the air clean. In the real world, this thing is a beast for pet hair, but it sometimes struggles with larger debris on hard floors. Some users have reported the battery dies faster than expected in turbo mode, and it feels a bit less durable than the high-end competition. Still, for a budget-friendly pick, it's impressive. It's perfect for small apartments or quick spot cleans where you don't want to break your back. If you're looking for a lightweight, straightforward machine that doesn't cost a fortune, this is a smart, safe choice for daily maintenance.
Next, we have the Shark PowerPro Flex Reveal Plus. This thing is built for convenience with its multi-flex technology, letting the wand bend so you can reach under furniture without crawling on the floor. It features Floor Detect, which automatically adjusts the brush roll speed depending on whether you're on carpet or hardwood. You're getting up to 50 minutes of runtime and a self-cleaning brush roll that's a total lifesaver for pet owners because it prevents hair wrap. It also uses Dirt Reveal technology with blue LED lights that make hidden dust practically glow on your floors. We've seen experts call this an absolute workhorse. The blue light is incredibly satisfying because it shows you exactly what you're picking up, and the Flex Wand is actually useful, not just a gimmick. But it's not perfect. It doesn't stand up on its own, so you have to fold it over or lean it against a wall, which is a bit of a design flaw. Some users also feel the suction is just mid compared to more premium models. However, for a mid-range vacuum that handles pet hair like a pro and reaches every corner, it's hard to beat.
Now we're moving into the high-end territory with the LG CordZero A949. This is more than just a vacuum. It's a whole cleaning system with an all-in-one tower that automatically empties the dustbin for you. It packs a massive 265 AW of suction power and comes with 2 batteries for a total runtime of up to 200 minutes. We're also getting a Power Mop Pro attachment, so you can swap from vacuuming to mopping in seconds. The dual floor max nozzle handles both carpets and hard floors without you needing to change the head. It's a premium machine, and the quality is obvious from the moment you unbox it. Feedback suggests the auto empty feature is a complete game changer for people with allergies, keeping dust out of the air. But we have to be honest, the battery life drops significantly if you're running it on the highest setting constantly. Some users have also struggled with getting replacement parts or bags in certain regions. If you have the budget and want a vacuum that does everything, including emptying itself, this is the one. It's an expensive investment, but it's arguably the most hands-off experience available.
The LEVOIT LVAC200 is proof you don't need to spend a month's rent to get a good clean. It features a tangle-resistant design that's specifically built to handle human and pet hair without clogging up the works. You get up to 50 minutes of fade-free power and a 5-stage filtration system that captures 99.9% of particles. It's relatively lightweight at about 6 pounds and comes with a 2-in-1 pet tool that's great for furniture. The LED headlamps are bright enough to show every crumb on your hardwood floors during a late-night clean. Users are calling this a game changer for pet owners. It's powerful, easy to assemble, and the value is very high for a name-brand unit. On the downside, it's a bit noisy. Some say it sounds like a tractor, and the vacuum head is a little bulky, making it hard to fit into very tight gaps. Also, the battery takes a while to charge back up once it's drained. Verdict? It's a fantastic, budget-friendly option for anyone with a dog or cat who needs a reliable daily driver. It's simple, effective, and gets the job done without any unnecessary drama.
Finally, we have the Samsung Jet 75 Complete. This one is a serious contender in the premium space, offering 200 AW of suction and its own clean station for mess-free emptying. It weighs only 6 pounds and features a 180-degree swivel head that makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture. You get 2 batteries in the box, giving you about 120 minutes of total cleaning time. The digital display is a nice touch, showing you the power level and alerting you if there's a clog or a missing filter. We found that this is a huge quality of life upgrade over traditional corded vacuums. It's powerful enough to replace your main vacuum, even on thick carpets. However, the battery life on max mode is pretty short, usually around 10 to 12 minutes, so you'll be swapping batteries often if you have a big house. There have also been some complaints about the durability of the canister clips over time. If you want a lightweight, powerful machine from a brand you trust, the Jet 75 is a beast. It's a top-tier choice for anyone who wants high performance and a clean emptying process. And that wraps up the top 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners.